In this video, we're going to show how easy it is to clean a Saran cooktop. In this case, a Siemens Induction. The first thing you want to do is start with a high quality window cleaner, such as we're using here, the Frosch Spiritus Glasreiniger. And you just spray that generously on the area where the rice cookpot overboiled. You do this once the cooktop has cooled down. You allow that to sit for a moment so that all of the goo becomes moisturized, and then you just take a clean, dry cloth and you gently wipe the area down. And there you have it. It's all gone. I mean, I can do a little bit of finishing detail here, but this is all it takes to clean off the cooktop. Easy peasy.